tangible or intangible, inanimate or inanimate, organic or inorganic, right? This sort of encapsulates matter, non-matter. Explore areas like existentialism, epistemology, ontology, metaphysics, phenomenology. We're going to explore ideas like solipsism, intersubjectivity.
Osteoporosis. So that's some perseverance.
Yeah. And then it begs much bigger philosophical questions, right? Like, the most pervasive.
Dealing with multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, and sort of areas that overlap. There's two distinct areas in the limit here. One is the whole idea of reality being a projection or some sort of frequency and amplitude. Why is amplitude loud and sound? What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.